Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. We have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper add-on, and the embellishment add-on. These are perfect to have your kits be even larger and to be able to create more projects. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates with the flavors of the month, so it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. So be sure to check it out. I'll have a reveal video here at the end. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. Starting with our cardstock add-on, for each collection you'll receive 3 sheets of cardstock. None of these are duplicates from what's in the flavors of the month. So you'll receive 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you do cardstock backgrounds and double page layouts. You want them to match, then you'll have those here. For our first collection, Birdsong, your cardstock's going to be 1 sheet of Nixon and 2 sheets of Moody Blue. For the Roll With It collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of Aqua and 2 sheets of Dusty Red. And then Our Happy Place, you'll get 1 sheet of Yellow and 2 sheets of Cornflower Blue. For Forever Fields, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Rosewood and 2 sheets of Ivy. So you can see how well they coordinate with the collections. You can also kind of see what might mix and match with other collections. Next up, we're going to take a look at the patterned paper add-on. So the pattern paper add-on gives you 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are duplicates either. It's 2 additional patterned papers. So for 49th and Market, we have this one called Sweet Notes, which is a kind of peachy pink background. It has all of the layerings of the book papers and tickets and this leaf branch with the bird, a little doily, some stitching, all of that. Super cute, perfect for a background. The back is this really pretty floral and leaf print on the green. We have this one called Cheerful Chatter, which is another great background with the books and the birds and all of the foliage. The back is another perfect background piece. So we have the layers of papers. We have the stitching here with leaves poking out. Both of those have full branding strips. For Roll With It from Cartabella, we have this one with all of the cooking utensils. Super cute. The back is a green plaid design. That paper is called Kitchen Essentials. And then we have the oven mitts and all of those fun colors and designs. A yellow gingham. This one is called Oven Mitts. For Our Happy Place from Echo Park, we have a pretty floral bouquet and then kind of a peachy orange plaid. That one's called Gather Stems. And then we have the wire baskets with the little florals. And the back is a tone-on-tone green with little triangle prints. That one's called Baskets and Florals. And then for Maggie Holmes Forever Fields, we have a striped, and then the back is a map design on that kind of smoky blue color. Gorgeous florals on that dark green navy color. This paper is called Remembrance, and the back is a floral print on the pink. So that is the patterned paper add-on. Lots of fun if you love your patterned papers and want to create even more with these collections. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So for this, you're going to get some additional embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. None of these, again, will be repeats that are in the flavors of the month. These are all additional embellishments. So starting with 49th and Market's Birdsong, you're going to get 1 of the laser sheets. So these will vary among the kits, but it's all these gorgeous florals is the one that I received. For the Cartabella Roll With It, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary as well. You'll get this half or the other half of the packet. Lots of little signs and frames, some banners, super cute. For the Our Happy Place, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So everyone will get this one. We have a border of polka dots and then a large scalloped border of the florals. Lots of words for titles, subtitles. Look at that banner. Super cute. Love the little chair and the baskets. We have a scale. So super cute. And then for Maggie Holmes, the Forever Fields. Let me turn this over. You're going to get one of the foam stickers. So these will vary. You'll get this one or the other one, but lots of titles, lots of florals, and the signature Maggie Holmes bow and little leaves. So a lot of fun there. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at all 3 of the add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the Shots of Life. I'll have a video here at the end, as well as all the other kits available in the store and the individual items. Right now we have a limited amount of December albums, so I'll have the reveal video for that as well. Check it out along with several little surprises that's going to be within that kit. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.